Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Open your web browser and go to Icloud. To start viewing photos. Sign in with your Apple ID and use two-factor authentication when prompted. Click the Photos icon on the iCloud home screen to open your library. The interface shows moments, years, and albums for easy browsing. Use the sidebar to switch between photos, albums, and recently deleted. Click any photo to open it in a larger preview mode. Use the search bar to find photos by date, location, or people. Choose grid or single photo view to change how thumbnails appear on screen. Drag the timeline or use the left-right arrows to move between images quickly. Select multiple photos by holding Shift or Command on Mac, Control on Windows. Click the download icon to save originals or export modified versions to your device. Mark favorites by clicking the heart so you can find them in the Favorites album. Use the Share button to send photos by mail, messages, shared albums, or AirDrop. Open the Photos app on your iPhone or iPad to view iCloud photos synced to iCloud. Make sure iCloud Photos is enabled in Settings under your Apple ID and iCloud section. Toggle Optimize iPhone storage to save space while keeping full-resolution images in iCloud. Create albums by tapping the plus icon and moving selected photos into named folders. Use moments, years, people, and places to filter photos by time and location quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.